This is the mother of all MOP flies. To tie one, start by securing a Chartreuse jig hook firmly in your vise. Then attach some white thread and snip the excess free. Now grab some MOP material, measure to length, and secure with 2 loose wraps. Ensure the MOP material is directly on top of the hook before securing firmly and advancing your thread. Now wrap the remaining MOP material up the hook shank, then secure and snip the excess free. Next, grab some Chartreuse ice stubbing. Stack the ice stubbing, then attach so that about 60% extends past the tie-in point. Then fold the dubbing back, secure, and pull out any loose fibers. Now taper the dubbing, then grab some Chartreuse grizzly hackle. Stroke the fibers back and create a tie-in point. Then attach and begin making touching wraps, taking care to stroke the fibers back with each turn. Then secure and snip the excess free. Now whip finish and cut your tying thread. Finish the fly by brushing out any trapped fibers and adding a few drops of head cement. And that is how you tie the mother of all MOP flies. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching.